What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great, you're all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video I'm going to review recently launched perfume from the house of LATTAFA, and here I'm talking about LATTAFA MASHRABYA, and this is a perfume which is known to be a clone or alternative of by Killian's Smoking Hot. So first of all, let me tell you that this is not an exact clone of Smoking Hot. I have tried Smoking Hot like a couple of months back, but I can tell you that this is not an exact copy, but you can say the concept or the idea used here is somehow similar. So yeah, it's in the same ballpark, but it's not an exact one-to-one clone of Smoking Hot. But still, this is a great perfume on its own. So let's talk about the presentation first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So you will get this perfume in this kind of paper box. This is a simple paper box. You can see the cut out here. There is a pattern here, and you can see the name of the perfume, MASHRABYA, the logo of LATTAFA. It's Eau de Parfum 100 ml. Then you can see the sides. Once again, you will get this design pattern here, and then in the back you will get the generic ingredient details. So this is the box, the logo of LATTAFA on the top, and then your batch and manufacturing date here in the bottom. So this is the box, and now let me show you the bottle. But bottle here is really amazing, and I loved it. The style, the finishing, the grip is just wow. And here you go. If you see, the whole bottle is covered with this black rubber, and this is a very sturdy bottle. It's very heavy, and it gives you that premium feel. Here the bottom is made of metal with all this branding, and then here if you see the cap is also metallic with this beautiful diamond cut with the logo of LATTAFA embossed on the top. And here on the side you will find metallic plates infused in rubber with the name of the perfume, MASHRABYA in English on one side and MASHRABYA in Arabic on the other side. And you can see the design pattern on the bottle. It's really amazing. And the cap is made of metal, but it's not very heavy, but still got some weight. And then here you will get this beautiful metallic atomizer, metallic golden atomizer, and even the neck here is made of metal with this branding once again here on this part of the bottle. So overall 10 by 10 for the presentation. The whole thing looks amazingly good, very sturdy and very expensive. And now let's talk about the fragrance. So let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top you will get apple shisha accord, and then there is pink pepper. In the middle you will get tobacco, cinnamon and dates, and then in the base you will get oud smoke, not oud, it's oud smoke, caramel, vanilla and patchouli. So this is the official notes breakdown, and now let's see how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, before I start my review, let me clear some points here. Can this perfume replace Smoking Hot? I could say no, but can this perfume satisfy that itch if you don't want to spend 800 to 1000 UAE dirhams on that perfume? Then yes, because this perfume somehow gives you that similar kind of vibe, because the structure of this perfume is very similar to the Smoking Hot. Yeah, don't expect that kind of quality here, the one you will get with Smoking Hot, because there you have to pay 1000 dirham, and here I have paid only 100 UAE dirhams for this perfume. So this perfume is offering a lot more for what you are paying here already. So don't judge this perfume and don't compare it with Smoking Hot neck by neck. So all those people who are comparing it, and if they are complaining, it's not a fair comparison here. But for 100 dirham and this kind of scent with this amazing quality, this is really rocking, and this is a solid product from the house of LATTAFA. So here this is a beautiful blend of smoky boozy apple. There is definitely tobacco, that sweet piped tobacco with some smoke, spicy cinnamon. You will get some sweet caramel in the base, and then a lot of vanilla. Yes, because if you have ever smoked shisha, You know, in shisha, you get that sweet flavor of the fruits with that sweet piped tobacco, and definitely once it's burning, it gives you a little bit of smoky feel. But here, that smoky factor is a little bit more. That tobacco flavor here is a little bit more as compared to the original shisha. You get that fruity sweetness here, you get that caramel, you will get that smoky feel, a lot of tobacco and a lot of vanilla. So this is the initial structure of this perfume in the opening. Then towards the second phase, it becomes more smoky and tobacco starts to dominate. And somehow you start to get that cherry liquor kind of vibe here. It's not mentioned in the notes breakdown, but yeah, in the second phase, you will be able to smell that cherry liquor kind of vibe in this perfume. Imagine if it's raining outside in winters, it's evening time, it's not fully dark, it's just evening around like 4 or 5 p.m. You are sitting in a coffee shop with a friend or a loved one, enjoying your hot coffee, and it's raining, it's cold, and then you feel that cold breeze touching your cheeks here. That kind of scenario comes to my mind when I smell this fragrance. I would love to wear this fragrance in that kind of scenario. Raining outside, the sky is gray, it's not dark yet, and people have started to turn on their yellow bulbs. So it's raining, there is a haze, and then you can see a lot of yellow bulbs in haze, in distance, and it's raining, gray sky. It feels very dreamy and surreal. So I would love to use this perfume in that kind of scenario. And this was about the fragrance, and now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So first of all, let's talk about performance. So performance wise, I was not very much satisfied with this perfume in the beginning. I got this perfume I think like 6 months back, and I have tested this perfume like once or twice, and I was literally not satisfied with the performance. But recently, before making this video, I have tried it again, and I think after maceration of few months, this perfume is performing very well now. The last time I checked this perfume, it gave me a longevity of like around 7 to 8 hours easily. I have tested this perfume in my office, indoors, and just like 3 to 4 sprays on my belly, not here near my neck, and it performs really well. This perfume is going to stay on your fabric, on your clothes for more than a day. You will be able to smell this perfume on your clothes even on the next day, but the projection is not very strong. It's very good for the first couple of hours, but then it becomes a little bit soft and it stays near to you. But whenever you're going to interact with someone, they will be able to smell it. So performance is really good here. For the gender, it's a unisex scent. Ladies or gents, anyone can use it easily. For the age group, you must be a little bit mature. If you are at the age of like 22 plus, you can rock it easily. For the season or weather, definitely for the cold weather. And if you talk about the occasion, anything special, if you're going on a date, you are going on a coffee shop, having a meetup with your friends, in your office, you know, definitely not for gyms and for sports activities. Other than that, you can wear this perfume in any kind of scenario. You can also work in your pubs, in weddings, or in like parties or something, because it's a little bit boozy, it's sweet, there is vanilla, there is apple. So it will work in any kind of scenario except the sports activities, even if you're going on a date. So this is about the scenarios, and now let's talk about the price. So I have paid 100 UAE dirhams for this perfume with this beautiful presentation, and 100 dirham for 100 ml juice is really worth it. The quality, blending, everything is so good. So check it out if you can, MASHRABYA, and if you like by Killian's Smoking Hot, do give it a try. I'm sure you're going to like it. So if you like tobacco, you like smoky, dark kind of fragrances, you will be loving it. So this was my review about MASHRABYA from the house of LATTAFA. I hope you liked it. I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, just scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.